TC, Kansas, and MLK paramedic aid. Hey, he's still in the car. He's still in the car. He's still in the car. He's still going. He's still going. Cover me. Cover me. I got it. You are 20. 6 Henry Boy Lincoln 976 is a suspect vehicle. It looks like they're trapped inside, and we have a victim trapped inside the vehicle as well. Trapped inside the vehicle as well. Hey, I'm gonna peek. Hey! Turn it off! Turn it off! Hey, stay over here. I got you. TC, Kansas, and MLK paramedic aid. He's still in the car. He's still in the car. He's still in the car. He's still going. He's still going. Cover me. Cover me. Hey, I'm gonna be. Hey! You were at 20 shots fired. Officers at 4:45. Suspect is unknown injury. I got you.
Where are they?
I'm gonna give you some light. You hold this? I'm gonna go hands to them.
All right, both hands are on the center console. Easy, slow.
Hey, make sure you put the car forward.
Both hands, got him? Got him?
Get that car turned off. Turn off the car.
Hold him, medical aid.
Turn off the car. Turn off the car.
Give me my bag.
Bag. Right here. Right here. Right here.
Got a shot to the side. Go ahead, bring out the bandage.
Stay on his hands, Car. Is he breathing?
I got his hand.
Where he's breathing, he's got a heartbeat, got a shot.
What do you want, dude?
Right after them, go ahead inside the main
Stay on
patch.
his hands.
I got his
Bandage.
Got mag.
Got extended magazine. There you go.